हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th बी हाइव चैप्टर 4 अ ट्रूली ब्यूटीफुल माइंड के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है थिंकिंग अबाउट द टेक्स्ट का। Here are some headings for paragraphs in the text. Write the numbers of the paragraph for each title against the heading. The first one is done for you. तो मैं आपको सीधा आंसर बता रही हूँ। फर्स्ट का आंसर है फर्स्ट, सेकंड का आंसर है 9, थर्ड का आंसर है 7, फोर्थ का आंसर है 3, फिफ्थ का आंसर है 10, सिक्स्थ का 15 और सेवन्थ का 11। सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा हु हैड दीज ओपिनियंस अबाउट आइंस्टाइन। तो फर्स्ट है ही वॉज बोरिंग। आइंस्टाइन्स प्लेमेट्स thought that he was boring. Second, he was stupid and would never succeed in life. Einstein's headmaster thought that he was stupid and would never succeed at anything in life. Third, he was a freak. Einstein's mother thought that he was a freak. थर्ड क्वेश्चन चलते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारा एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द रीज़न फॉर द फॉलोइंग आर। तो फर्स्ट है हमारा आइंस्टाइन लीविंग द स्कूल इन मोंची फॉर गुड। इसका आंसर है अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन वॉज नॉट अ बैड प्यूपिल। ही स्कोर्ड गुड मार्क्स इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सब्जेक्ट। हाउएवर ही हेटेड द रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ स्कूल बिकॉज ऑफ विच ही ऑफ्टन हैड clashes with his teachers at the age of 15. When he felt too stifled to continue studying, he left the school in Montreal for good. Second है हमारा क्वेश्चन Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Montreal. तो इसका आंसर है according to Einstein, German speaking Switzerland was a more liberal than Montreal, hence he wanted to study in Switzerland. थर्ड है हमारा Einstein seeing a Mileva in LA. तो इसका आंसर है Einstein had a special interest in Mileva, who was his fellow students. He thought that she was a very clever person. She had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. Einstein instantly realized that she was an ally against it all the people he was at odds with. He thought she was a clever person. फोर्थ है हमारा What do these tell you about Einstein? तो इसका आंसर है All these instances indicate that Einstein was a visionary. He was a clever and never hesitated in keeping his point of view in front of others. He never went with the tide and did things the way he wanted to. Once he knew that he was right, he was not afraid of being at odds with his teachers or for that matter anyone else. Even though he was doing well in school, he left it because he found it too stifling. He eventually moved to Zurich because he thought that this city was much more liberal than Montreal. He liked to mix with people who had the same attitude as him. He was a strong man who stuck to his principles and ideas and was not afraid for bringing them into practice. Fourth question है हमारा What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? तो इसका आंसर है Einstein was working as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. He called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bergio of theoretical physics. He called it so because while he was supposed to be assessing other people's invention, he was actually developing his own idea in secret, and his drawer was where he stored these ideas. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा, वाई डिड आइंस्टाइन राइट अ लेटर टू फ्रैंकलिन रोसेवेल्ट? तो इसका आंसर है, when the Nazi came to the power in Germany, Einstein emigrated to the United States of America. The American physicists were in an uproar because of the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. They were afraid that the Nazi could never build and use an atomic bomb. At the urging of a colleges, Einstein wrote a letter to Franklin Roosevelt to warn him of these consequences of an atomic explosion. Sixth question है हमारा, how did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? तो इसका आंसर है, the Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project and dropped it on the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction caused by the explosion. He proposed the formation of a world government. However, his proposal was not paid any attention. Over the next decade, he got more involved in politics, trying to aggrade people to bring an end to the arms race. He campaigned for peace and democracy till his last days. Seventh question है हमारा, why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? तो इसका आंसर है, the world remembers Einstein as a world citizen because he was a visionary and a scientific genius. He not only made many discoveries in science but was also deeply concerned about the growing arms race between nations in the world. He used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy till his last days. Eighth question है हमारा, here are some facts from Einstein's life. Arrange them in chronological order. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है, Einstein published his special theory of relativity. Einstein is born in the Germany city of Ulm. फर्स्ट का आंसर है. सेकेंड है, he is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Einstein attends a high school in Muncie. थर्ड है, Einstein writes a letter to USA President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns. Tired of a school regimes, Einstein withdraw from school. फोर्थ का आंसर है, Einstein attends a high school in Muncie. एट्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा, here are some facts from Einstein life, arrange them in a chronological order. तो मैं आपको आंसर बता दे रही हूँ, ये देख लीजिए, आप क्वेश्चन ऐसे कर लेना. फर्स्ट का आंसर है, Einstein is born in the Germany city of Ulm. सेकेंड है, Einstein attends a high school in Muncie. थर्ड है, Einstein's family moves to Milan. फोर्थ का आंसर है, type of the schools Resignation, Einstein withdraw from school. Fifth का आंसर है Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Malaiva. Sixth का आंसर है he works in a patent office as a technical expert. Seventh का आंसर है Einstein published his special theory of relativity. Eighth का आंसर है he provided a new interpretation of gravity. नाइन्थ का आंसर है ही इज़ अवॉर्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजिक्स. टेंथ का आंसर है व्हेन हिटलर कम्स टू पावर आइंस्टाइन लीव्स जर्मनी फॉर द यूनाइटेड स्टेट. 11th का आंसर है आइंस्टाइन राइट्स अ लेटर टू यूएसए प्रेसिडेंट फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट एंड वॉर्न्स अगेंस्ट जर्मनी बिल्डिंग एन एटॉमिक बॉम्ब. तो गाइज ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th बिहाइव चैप्टर 4 अ ट्रूली ब्यूटीफुल माइंड के क्वेश्चन आंसर. आई होप यू लाइक इट. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन और वीडियो को बहुत सारा प्यार देना. थैंक यू.